there, beautiful people. It's Shawa here, and welcome back to the channel. But most importantly, welcome back to the Best You Project 21 Day Challenge. I'm so proud of you for making it to yet another day. You can follow along with us either with the free PDF printable template that you can use, write things down, or you can purchase our Notion template, which is going to help you to create all of the systems that you need. I'm going to leave the links for you to get them down below. And also do not forget that we have a Telegram group where you can ask questions, where you can just stay motivated with other people that are taking the challenge like you. So yeah, guys, let us get on to what we have for today. All right, guys. So, welcome to day 4. I'm so proud of you. Today, we are going to be creating our long term vision in all the areas of our lives. So, having a vision is so important, okay, because it lets you know, okay, this is what I'm working towards, okay. So, in 5 years' time, in 10 years' time, where do I see myself? Where do I want to be? What kind of thing do I want to be doing? What kinds of things do I want to have? What kind of person do I want to be? Okay, so it's very important for you to look 5 years from now, 10 years from now, what is my long term vision? Because this just keeps you accountable and it also keeps you motivated, especially when you know, okay, this is what I'm working towards, this is what I want to have. So I have to, create my goals around that. Okay, so it's not just based on, oh, you saw this goal on YouTube and you feel like you have to, have the same goals as this person. No, your own life, what do you want based on all of the things that we have done recently? Okay, we have done our core values. So based on my core values, what kind of things do I want to be doing? What kind of things do I want to have? What kind of person do I want to be? Okay, so we're just going to be doing a deep dive. This is going to be your why. Okay, this is going to be your why for every other thing that we're going to be doing in the challenge. So all of the project goals we're going to be doing, all of the habits we're going to be creating the foundation right now. Okay, so if you were asked what do you want to be in the future, you may have a hard time trying to figure that out. And even if you have one thing that you've always wanted to do, have probably neglected all of the other life areas that you have. Okay, so for the area of your spirituality, for the area of your career, all of that. Okay, so that is why I recommend that you take this from your have, the things you want to have, the things you want to be doing, and the kind of person that you want to be. Okay, so this just makes things so much easier for you because you don't have to create just generic goals. No, you can look in the future. Okay, these are the things I want to have, these are the things I want to be doing, this is the kind of person that I want to be. So yeah, let us get our resources and let us get started. Okay, all right, guys. So if you've gotten your free PDF, this is what it's going to look like. So of course, as you can see, we have the sections for the have, the do, and the be. Okay, so you're just going to be writing them down. Just write it down. In 5 to 10 years or even 15 years, where do you want to see yourself? What do you want to be having? What do you want to be doing? Who do you want to be? Okay, so we're just going to write it down. So of course, if you want this efficient, detailed, all of that. So all right, guys, so as you can see, once you open it up and you go to today, you're going to see day 4, because today is day 4 for the create your long-term vision. So we're just going to click on that and then it's going to take us there. So as you can see, now we have the VIP, we have the medium, and we have the low. Okay, so if you missed yesterday, we basically rated our life areas. Okay, so in each area of our life, because we did that, it has now divided all our life areas into categories. So we have our high, which is our VIP life areas for this 2025, then we have the medium, and then we have the low. Okay, so we're just going to be going through each of them. So I'm just going to be showing you how you can do this for like the career. So if you click on it, as you can see now, it's going to open it up. So you just want to scroll down, and then once you scroll down, you're going to see the section for determine your long-term vision. Okay, so as you can see now, the way we're going to be doing this, it's not going to be the way it is on like the paper, where it's not going to be divided based on your life area. Although you can just print this out and just write at the top for your career, and then just print out like maybe 10. I think we have 10 life areas there, so you can just print it out and then write that one. But of course, for this one, now we are in our career, so you want to think, okay, for my career, what do I want to have? What do I want to do? What do I want to be? You do not have to think of, oh, is this even possible? Is this even attainable? Because the idea with this long-term vision is that we are not going to be putting pressure on ourselves to accomplish these 5 to 10 year goals. Okay, we're not going to be putting pressure on ourselves to accomplish the vision. We just want to make sure that every goal that we are setting is going to be aligned with what we want in the future. Okay, so that is just one thing that you want to keep in mind. So you want to be bold here, you want to be courageous, you want to be like you want to write these goes down, that it may even scare you. We're like, oh, I hope that I'm actually able to do this, okay, because we want to aim for the sky and then all of that, okay. So as you can see, we're just going to write it here. So let's say for your long-term vision, you want to build a, like, have a personal brand that is so cool, a personal brand. So you just want to write it down here. Just write it down. Just write, okay, the things you want to be doing. Okay, let's say you want to be networking frequently, okay, because maybe you right now, you're not there yet. You're not there yet. But you want to be doing that. So let's say doing that B. For your B, you want to be confident, okay, based on your career. When you're talking to people, when you're even embarking in projects, you want to build your confidence in your career. So you can just write that down. So if you want to add any role, you can just go down here, just click this thing here, and it's going to add the role. So you just want to type 5, and then it has automatically added the role for you, okay. So you just want to write it down and just have it in mind, and then you want to do that for all of the other life areas as well. So for your health as well, you want to do that. For your spirituality, you want to do that. And then of course, this is not necessarily just tied to, like, your VIP areas, okay. So if you want to create goals for your medium life areas as well, you can do that, okay. But you just want to make sure that it's just like a good thing for you to know that, okay, when I'm in this section, I am really really honing in, okay, I'm really really being ambitious, okay, because I know that I am not where I want to be in this area. So I have to make sure that I psych myself up and just set goals for myself based on this area. So yeah, guys, that is just that for that. All right, guys, so that is that for this video. I'm so proud of you for making it to the end of this video. Please do not take these things lightly. You want to write these things down, okay, you want to plan these things, okay, because it may look like you don't really need to do it, the things that you want to do for this year, but still just making sure that you really sit down and you just look, okay, based on the values, okay, based on the things that I wrote down in my brain dump, like, where do I want to see myself? What do I want to be doing? What kind of person do I want to be in all these life areas of my life? And trust me, it's just going to give you so much clarity. You're just going to know yourself so well. So yeah, guys, I would highly recommend. And yeah, guys, so that is that for this video, and I will see you for day 5. We're going to be creating our project goals. So stay tuned, and I'll see you next tomorrow. Bye.